You scared me.
Stop.
You're scaredy cat. No, not. You are. I just don't want to get hit.
No, come here, Wyatt. Come here. Pick up your hat.
No.
Get your hat. Are you mad at Bridger? What did he do?
I'm mad at him from whipping me in the head twice with a shovel.
You did?
Yep. I did not!
Are you guys ready to go inside?
Yes. And watch TV. No, I will not.
Why are you upset?
Take a picture.